Hello, good afternoon friends. Today I'm gonna tell you how to set the upper limits, lower limits for the Liftmaster LM87502. First of all, welcome to Aman Kaldo's Centered YouTube channel. First of all, what you have to come to the motor on the right hand side. You have to open this cover. After opening the cover, so we are gonna set the upper limit and lower limit. So you see very closely, there is black, white, red. First black and white are for the sensor, then the red and white for the keypad that we installed inside for this keypad. So to set the upper limits and lower limits, you have to press hold this black button, and when the upper light emits, you can set the limits. For example, you can see when I press the button, so you have to set how much you want to open your door. So basically it's socket fascia. When you set this limit, then you have to press the middle button. Now it's time to set the bottom limits, how much you want your door will be closed. So press the bottom button until door goes to down. Then when it's left 3 to 4 inches, then press slowly that little. And now you see door is closed from top to bottom. Then you have to press this middle button again. Now door will be automatically open, then automatically close. This tab is for the port setup for the door. It will be set up according to the door way. And you have seen now door is opening itself and the upper light is flashing because upper force is setting. Now door is closing, so our closing force is going to be set. So now you have seen door is fully closed, and this way we can set the limits for the Liftmaster LM87504 model. Thank you.